Players, are you ready? So this is the final game before. How to have the number final in Yanum Bagolo? When I rebel rehesuno agore. When I was a tata, you honor Ribolor Dira.
When I was off 5 again, ma. What 5 again, ma? Come on. You said you badge again. Custom igual. Custom meio round aqui, cara. Chegou na canal, mano. Ele não é mau insta bukan. Ah, não é quem sabe ali. Kami APS que olha. The last year. Bueno, como nada. No sé, man. 10 minutes. You warrant now.
Oscar Mola Tata Matazare, but to cancel the event.
Ow, chief. Hey, later. Oh. Come on, lady. You skip it. Hey, skip. You can also skip it, man. Yeah, I get some KFC, but home. I'm gonna get a team. I can't pick a team. I can't I can't pick a team. You. Sana buena. I can't pick. May go out. Go.
All right. Chelsea versus Newcastle.
Wana leka ina bana.
Motsetsere ba se tsa leader wa nnoto ba gaetsho nna nne ke re le bone motho a re bitse tournament ha hetsa o jalo ha pele ga rona mister re kopa ro nne serious.
Alright. Ke PR.
Both these guys have probably played against each other a million times. This time though, we're watching. So I need you to make some noise for whoever you're behind. Team William, let me hear you make some noise. William, how na la support. All right. Team Remmogo, let me hear you make some noise. Mosetsara ba go batla go mmiletsa go rona le difene. O mo shapele kwa.
Monele. Yo. Monele.
Isi ya ka ke itshasa nation. Go look you. Nane ke le bone go look you. Asuri ke a supporta tsholo. Ke na lo yena o uta ba ka ke go rata ke sa ikhutsa.
Monele.
It's a goal. 29 minutes, 30 minutes gone, borra. Hari tur hagar la thabana yana. Go rileng ka.
Lesao. Ako le leseng go coach. Go pa le leseng go coach. Ka bontshe bolo tle rra. Ari. Monele. Au, ref.
Agora o ta ka runtsi o re reale tsa pha. Goal. That's a goal. Chasa Nation stack up. Nalo off.
Au.
Come to play, man.
Au, refu. Okay, play. Sabolo.
Team. Bathong. Hey, la bokang. Har ha kwa ba re bitsa bo ira yana ther. Kana go ha re tetse wena go ha.
Sala ke tsoga ka 6. Ano ka go lola ngani? Bola ga ro ba thoela.
Ako go sipile man. Don't play like this.
Ke gore ke magala pile o dilo. Yo, monele. Yo.
48 minutes gone. Motho ha ising kwa ba gori. Ibile ke o a goriwa.
Aya go motlho.
Tirin noto. Bokare go parole serious.
Ke la
Twa
pile.
hala yano.
Ay, cara.
Monele.
Ne, man. Ngatele man. Ngatele.
Nan ne ke re le boneng.
Nele ke oli. sa go coach.
Hits the wall.
Ah. Gini kan aku kan.
Mana?
Harus kunjung kan aku tu.
Nih.
Merabai le man. Merabai.
Nanga be re itsile hela gore rile a tlhapha le go rwane le go teng Chelsea.
Au. Ada logo.
O na ya go ira tsone dilo.
Ayo. Jackson. Ya, what's up?
Kira. Tu lebih dulu naman.
Oh, wana na apa? Kana masalah updating kung lagi dulu di save di mana gua.
Yo terima kasih juga bas sudah sekolah.
Mau sama terus.
Ravi ni. Saya nama.
Katakan lagi.
Nah, isa pilihan orang boleh. Urute, hande.
Morotelano.
Itu.
Apa nama babare kisah gini kawan? Aku ni tempo lo sih. Ya.
Mau tribola hotel hoje sana.
And it is 3-0. But we look at mala o didimetse. So, release yame. Tsala me a go irialo.
PR.
Well done to William taking this one, the exhibition match. Give a round of applause. Team Motsasarapa kilo na bao. Ba didimetse ba Remmogo ikopele matsogo le jele 3-0. And now we are getting ready for the final of the day. We have two major players going head to head. Remember, they're playing for quite a bit. A brand new PlayStation 5, 5,000 Pula, a 5G connector with 3 months free. Kirai Wi-Fi here ya mahala, guys. TCL 50 5G smartphone. So you walk away with a console, you walk away with a smartphone, and you walk away with what you need to connect both of them. Can I have front and center facing off in the final? Make some noise for Leo. All right. Let me talk to Leo quickly. Come here. Leo, have to go number one or something like that.
Well, Botswana to be precise, isn't it?
Anyway, so when you came here today, was the goal the PlayStation? You have one already, don't you?
I do have one, but yeah, I could use a new one, you know?
Okay, so basically what Leo is saying is after this he has a PlayStation to give away. You're all welcome. Just be friends with him. Did you watch your opponent play today?
Did I watch my opponent? The one?
Lewa.
I did. He's so good, I can't lie.
Okay, so when you think about it though, did you see anything that, like his playing style, have you caught anything that you feel like you want to counter? It's a yes or no question.
Yes, I did see some gaps. So yeah, I'm going to make sure I take that to my advantage.
All right, take your seat. Which one are you picking? All right, he's sitting on the right seat and sitting on the left seat. Make some noise for Liwa. All right, Liwa. You heard all the smack he was just talking about, how you have gaps in your game. Hewe. Arki number one. One desire.
Obvious. Underdog story, true underdog story.
A true underdog story. I want to know from you, in terms of watching him, are there things that you've learned? Have you found him to be someone you think you can beat?
Yes. I can beat him.
Based on
Lord, but I'll beat.
all right. So he's taken the right. You're gonna take the left. Are you ready? Do you have a PlayStation?
No, I don't have a PlayStation.
So you have everything. This man already has a PlayStation. This man does not listen. All right, Team Lewa, make some noise for Lewa. Take your seats. Support the Lewa. All right, Leo and Lewa are going head to head. The rules are exactly the same. 4 minutes a game, and then difficulty legendary. They're gonna go head to head, gentlemen. Your game starts now. Remember, today's event is powered by Orange. They are in partnership with Hoko and, of course, Remmogo Visuals. Can we have a round of applause for our sponsors today? Thank you so much for everything that you did to us, Team Orange. Thank you so much, Team Remmogo, and to you, Hoko. Borra, hakuna shaking of hands kanti before game. Kanti ko PlayStation, hakuna camaraderie. Fist bump bubugulu, something. Remember, we are live on Yo Ming, we are live on Facebook. Our Facebook community is joining us and making sure that you enjoy all the action at this one. So much to play for. Don't forget that position 2 also wins something. Position 1 takes something home. Hydration station in Wanak. Very decisive for Team Lewa. Go straight for Real Madrid. And Leo said, I decide. So our final today, Real Madrid versus Real Madrid. One in orange, one in white. Both these gentlemen are obviously gamers, both have a lot of experience, but it is an underdog versus the warrior. Somebody who wants to dethrone the world number 1, the national number 1. A lot of us rata an underdog story. Na make support number 1. Hey, rata. All right, both players are ready.
player 2.
All right, gentlemen, deep breaths. There's a lot to play for. Ke le batla la PlayStation in hela personal. Kore hela why? Re ka se kgaogane half. All right, we're about to kick it off. There it is. Team Lewa versus Team Leo. Minutes in, Rodrigo. Leo on the post. Come on, Leo, just wide. It is all tied. Borra. Turba, hagya ako na volleyball. .33 minutes gone and we are still level at 1-all. Hey, la mututa igo. Midfielding ball. And it is 2-1 to Leo, taking a slight lead. 44 minutes gone. We're almost at the halftime break. At halftime, Team Leo
gonna show
in the
passion, okay?
lead.
I'm gonna show passion. I'm gonna show passion.
They didn't even take a breath, bruh. So, you can cut the tension with a knife. Yeah, it's a Team Lewa coming close. Winning the ball. Come on, Lewa. Going into the 56th minute and Team Leo is still leading 2-0. What a turn. And it is 3-1 for Team Leo. Kylian Mbappe with the goal. Going into the 68th minute, Leo leading 3-1. Leo playing wavy. And it's a goal. He brings one back. It's 3-2. Yeah, he's doing why. You have a celebration. Only 85 minutes, 15 to go. There's still room to come back for Team Lewa. Still with the showboating from Team Leo. Another corner. Chance for. Come on! And that's the game. Team Leo walks away as the champions. Gaming with Remmogo has a winner. We will be giving away a PlayStation 5,000 pula, free internet for 3 months, and a smartphone. Congratulations to Leo. Congratulations to Lewa. What a performance you have shown us. And congratulations to each and every one of you who played today. 32 Hasidi Nyana Wanaka. All of you who made it to the semis, well done. Those of you who made it to the finals, well done. The quarters, well done, well done. Team Orange, thanks you for your participation. We're gonna do the handover in just a second. For now, you can take time congratulating your boy Leo. A round of applause for Team Leo! Your champion. You can befriend him. A PlayStation to spare. Chomi. It is Gaming with Remmogo. Look forward to the next one. I encourage you to go home and prepare. Go home and work hard. Congratulations to you, Leo. You can take your seat of honor in front of all of the world to see. Just sit over here. We're going to do the prize giving ceremony. Earlier today, Senor De Breezy walking away with the third place prize after the third place playoff. Is Senor De Breezy in the room? De Breezy, come on over here. Come on over here, sir. Well done. Congratulations. All those hours your mom was yelling about in front of the PlayStation are paying off. Congratulations. I want you to, was it worth it? Did you enjoy the tournament today?
Yeah, it was worth it. I think that a lot of guys here that show that they're actually better than me, so I learned a lot, but I appreciate the competition.
Does that mean you're coming back for the next one?
I will be there.
So if you're wondering, he walks away with a 2000 Pula, a connector 5G with 1 month connection, and a TCL 30 5G smartphone. Give it up for Brian, otherwise known as Senor De Breezy. Hey, Gary. Congratulations to Breezy. And to give the award, please give it up for the marketing manager out at Orange, Meteboho Nadisa. Tevi, thank you so much for hosting us. Thank you so much for having us. Shout out to the Breezy, another one for the Breezy. The Breezy boy acceptance speech in Sahara are le blind. He's learned so much from all of you because le blind. All right, position 2. You just saw him fall to a 3-2 defeat. He took a 1-0 lead, went down to 3-1, and then he scored one but could not come back. Give it up for Lewa. Lewa walks away with 3,000 Pula, a connector 5G with 1 month subscription, and a TCL 30 5G smartphone. Shout out Lewa, congratulations Lewa. It was a close one, Lewa. Do you feel proud of yourself? Do you feel like you gave it your best?
Yeah, I gave it my best. I gave it my best. I gave it my best. I gave it my best.
Well done, Lewa. So was it so good that you're coming back?
Yeah, it was so good, but at the end, he had the position. I couldn't get the ball from him. So yeah.
All right, so give it up one more time for Lewa. We'll see you again at the next one, Lewa. Good job, good job, good job. 3,000 pula hela guys, Kari. We need to let all parents see today's competition, Manadisa. FIFA has 3K. And of course, our winner for today, I need you to make a big fat noise for Hyungmin Leo! Hyungmin walks away with a brand new PlayStation 5, 5,000 pula, a connector 5G with 3-month subscription, and a TCL 50 5G smartphone. Leo blind Chomi. I saw his first match, I saw his semi-final, and I saw you in the final. You really stood your own. So you said you wanted an upgrade. Here's your upgrade. Congratulations. Shout out also to Bokang of Remmogo Visuals for putting this together. Remmogo. We appreciate it, my brother. We appreciate Team Orange. We appreciate Team Hoko. We appreciate Remmogo. And of course, congratulations to you, Leo. Go and enjoy your PlayStation, my brother. It's yours. How are you in picture? How are you in ouch. I'm going to PS guy.
Wagwan Generals!
Wagwan Generals indeed. Unboxing hela kupa phone hela re bone re bulele phone motho a ke re PlayStation ra ise bogolo phone re bone orange re bontshe gore re le tshwaretse mekaka. Leo, I would really love if you would unbox the phone for us if you could. I'll hold that for you, my brother. There's too much weight to it. What's going on in here, brother? It brings about to you. I get. All right, a big round of applause for our winners. Congratulations, Depreezy. Congratulations, Lewa. And of course, well done to you, Leo. And that, ladies and gentlemen, after 32 players, we are down to our final 3. And it is the Gaming with Remmogo tournament. What a night. You are all incredible. Thank you so much for joining us. With love from Orange, Hoko, and Remmogo. Have a good evening.